What's up, guys? Today we're making these delicious barbecue bacon burgers, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by dicing up our onions, and then also preheat your oven to 400 degrees because we're going to bake our bacon in there for 8 minutes at 400. And then we're going to take our ground beef and add our Worcestershire to it, and you're just going to get all that Worcestershire mixed up in there. And while you're doing that, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. Then we're going to form our patties, and after they're formed, we're going to bake them in our air fryer, and I like to do them at 350 for 8 minutes. While those are cooking, we're going to take our onions and take some butter over medium-high heat. We're just going to caramelize them. A lot of people says it takes 30 minutes. I say it takes like 8 minutes for them to be nice and soft and juicy like this, but it's up to you. So after we cook our onions, we're going to make our aioli. So we're just going to take some barbecue sauce, and then we're going to take our mayo, some Cajun seasoning, and some black pepper, and we're just going to mix all of that up. And when it's all mixed together, it's going to be nice and creamy like this. And now it's just time to assemble. So we're going to put our barbecue sauce on the bottom, and then, or barbecue aioli, I guess. And then after we spread all of that out, we're going to put on our onions, and then we're going to add in our bacon and our beef, and that's it. And then you're just going to throw it all together and taste a nice juicy bite. All right, y'all. Time for the moment of truth. Oh, yeah. That's delicious.